Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both your phone and desktop for QR sign-in. Enable two-step verification on your Google account to allow phone-based authentication. Install the Google or Gmail app on your phone and sign into the same account you will use on desktop. Use a desktop browser such as Chrome and sign into accounts. Google.com on the desktop. Ensure both devices have internet access and are nearby for quick scans and confirmations. On your desktop, open accounts. Google.com and begin signing into Gmail. If offered, choose the option labeled Use your phone to sign in or show QR code on the screen. On your phone, open the Google or Gmail app and tap the menu to find Scan QR code within Security or Sign-in options. Point your phone camera at the desktop QR code so it fits the frame and wait for the app to read it and show a sign-in prompt. After scanning, you will see a sign-in approval on your phone for Gmail. Tap Approve or Confirm to complete the desktop sign-in and open your inbox. If the scanner fails, refresh the QR code on the desktop and try scanning again within 30 seconds. Check that camera permissions and internet are enabled on your phone before retrying. Finally, review devices and security in your Google account to revoke any unknown session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.